$3,140 is how much I made today day trading in less than 40 minutes. Let me show you what I did. Let's go. Okay folks, first let's start with the proof here. $3,140. I took 2 trades today. First trade I lost $600. Second trade I made $3,740. 3,740 minus 600 equals 3,140. Okay. Let's see the time here. My first trade that I took, I entered at 7:45 or 1. Loading until 7:49, sold at 7:51, and then it went against me unfortunately, so I decided to cut it all until 7:55. Second trade at 8:17, almost 8:18 because it was like 58 SEK at this point, and sold it at 8:23. Now let's look at the chart. Let's go. Chart number 1. This is SPX on a 15-minute open up today. So we've been up for the past actually 3 days now, squeezing it a bit, and we were due for a little either sideways action or retracement a little bit, a little rejection, maybe a little dip, right? Call it whatever you want to call it. And so that happened actually. Unfortunately for me, there was not an entry here to take. This is SPX on a 15-minute, and there was no way for me to take any of that. I don't know at what time we were reversing. It was way too early in the morning, blah, blah, blah. So it is what it is. Then I identified 2 trend lines here and actually missed on buying the dip here. I would have bought this, I would have been done, right? So because I missed it, when I miss the boat, what do? I just wait until my setup lines up, and therefore we hit that resistance trend line over here and my upper trend line, and I decided to enter. But unfortunately for me, when I entered, this candle opened up and exploded up. So I think only 1 contract made me money here, and the rest I lost it. Therefore, I lost $600 on this. So remember, I entered and then cut over here, right? Then I waited. I adjusted my trend line a bit higher because we keep going higher. And then that rejection happened. When that rejection happened, I decided to load up. I loaded up 6 contracts. Oh man, I wish I had 60, let me tell you. Because after that happened, boom, this huge leg happened. And it was selling non-stop. So obviously, as you know me, as soon as we start to sell and go my way, I start to cut. But this time I kind of took my time a little bit more and I cut. So the 9 was like legit here, okay? And as this candle happened, the 9 started to adjust it. So I actually closed below the 9, but by the time I took this screenshot here, the 9 went obviously much lower. And then that was actually beautiful. I cut $3,740 on this. I thought that was a genius, and then it kept going lower and lower and lower. My contract average over here was about 20.33, and I cut, I think I cut the last one at 31.70. So that was beautiful, but they went all the way up to 40 plus over here. Anyway, super happy, super grateful, green for the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.